So as a content creator who could potentially be on Reach TV, would you recommend someone, like you said, who has a show that's maybe in 10-minute increments that also could be long form, maybe that is also a visual style show so it can transcend language? I also had heard that you had mentioned that you also try to cater to different geographies depending on which airport the content plays in. What are some of the other things that you look for in the content when you're trying to bring them on to Reach TV?
Well, a couple of things. Number one is there's a science back to from all the technology in the world I've been into. We learned a trick way back when it was just online selling stuff is you want movement. So one of the things that we always have is every 7 to 10 seconds, something on our screen is moving. The upcoming, the ticker, the time, there's some movement. And then when we do stuff, we have closed captioning on every single thing. So even the captioning gives people some eye movement and keeps them engaged. When you're doing a talking show like this, one of the things is making sure we have cool graphics, cool updates, little infographics. And then for some of our shows are very visual already. So we have somebody in a race car talking about how they build a team. It's just visually stimulating. When we do surf stuff, it's just visually stimulating. We are shooting a show that I find very intriguing from a fantasy sports background, where you have the ability to have, they're doing fantasy, but they're also telling you by position. So they're, instead of a traditional 10-minute show, it's 2 minutes on quarterbacks, 2 minutes on running backs, 2 minutes on defenses, 2 minutes on kickers, and all the different things you could do from a fantasy perspective. That show runs as a full 8-minute block, but we also run it as 2-minute increments throughout the other hours. So you take the same show and we use it as its own show, and we use it as in between as we transition from show to show as well. So there's a lot of creative you can do because you're doing short form. You can have a lot of fun. That's what we like the energy of our network.
The energy.
Yes.